This is the AJ101. We call it AJ101 after my 2-year-old grandson, Arthur Joseph, who likes to come in Grandpa's office and pull things off his desk. So we set up an alarm for this lab to warn when he comes in the office and show some lights and all that. We could get more elaborate one day with facial recognition and all that, but we know who the culprit is. So in order to do this, we have a motion detector, which is fed through the Arduino board. We have lights with the Arduino board, and we have a speaker, an alarm that goes off. Now, when motion is detected, the lights and the speaker will coincide and flash and sound SOS, a signal of distress internationally. The motion detector is controlled by sensitivity control, which can detect up to 7 meters. In close, we have it turned way down. And then it's got a selectivity switch where it tells how quickly and how often it wants to update. The motion detector is an input device that goes into the Arduino. And as an input device, it's digital. And it uses pulse width modulation based on the frequency of the DC pulse generator inside. You'll have high and goes to low, high and low, and it's spaced out. When the motion detector senses something, it sends a positive signal and is read as an input into the Arduino board. So that's why when we code the Arduino board, we take it as a pin input. Unlike the lights in the speaker, those are output devices. So we'll give a good show of that. Right now I have it disconnected because it's quite sensitive and it would be going off with my motion showing how all this works. So what we'll do, we'll connect it right now and we'll do a little motion. The lights and the lights and the speaker will come on. So here we go. Let's give it a little wave. Let's give it a little wave. Well, perhaps we need to load it. And perhaps we need to load it with the Arduino. So let's log into the computer and load it up. Okay, here we go. Well, isn't that a kick in the shorts? It was working like crazy a minute ago. Maybe I don't have it all the way plugged in. There we go. That's O and S. So I didn't have it plugged all the way in. Here we go. I'm going to wave at it, and it'll start. There you go. S, O, 3 shorts, S. Move, and triggers it again. So when Grandpa's not in the office and we have this on, and little Arthur Joseph comes in, and it picks him up. So what we're going to get. The way this is rigged, as we said, we have 3 wires going into the motion detector. 1 wire goes to ground, one's coming from the power, and the other one is going to pin. You really can't see it. 3, and then the program sorts it out. It says, okay, well, we're getting an input, pulse width modulation, getting a high signal, getting a positive, and it sends it to there. The Arduino board reads it, and through the if-then loop, it says, okay, let's write to the LEDs. I could have jumped it over, but I didn't. But I made a separate pin write command going to the speaker. Then everything's going to ground. So that's how that works. We're going to unplug this because it's picking up our motion. We'll do it one more time. We'll light it off one more time. Here we go. Just my slight moving of my camera made it go. Here, I'll move. There we go. There we go. End of video.